you're watching this, you know you are in Antararoy. Today I'm here with a soup recipe. In the wintry, cold nights, I think a soup is the best way forward. And while you're enjoying the chicken and rice Vietnamese style, which is also called cơm gà, in lunch, you can easily make this soup for dinner, paired with a fresh green salad on the side. This is a great, easy, light dinner recipe. So let's start. For the detailed recipe of the chicken and rice dish, you can either look up on your screen right now, there is a link, or you can go to the description box below and find the link there. The first half of the recipe is same as that, and now let's get on with the soup. Once your chicken comes out of the oven, check for its doneness by making sure that the juices that run out of the bird is all clear. Take out the chicken, but save the stock. Slowly take out all the chunky vegetables and put it in a liquidizer. We want to make a paste of it. Now pour over the stock into a stock pot. Make a paste of the vegetables and add onto it. Now, to thicken the soup, add in 2 or 3 tablespoons of lentils. I have used split pea lentils, or something which is known as arhar dal. All you need to do is soak the dal for about 30 minutes after washing it thoroughly. Add on to the boiling soup and let it disintegrate and thicken the soup as it cooks. Salt and pepper to taste. Let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you are happy with the seasoning and the dal is all cooked through, switch off the flame before adding about half a lemon squeezed and serve immediately with a dollop of butter on top. Cheers!